Hello and welcome to this video on how to app. My name is Jeremy and today I will teach you how to use the application Piazza. First, let me explain what Piazza is. Piazza is an app that you can use on the internet or download for your tablet or Apple device that allows you to answer questions that your students have very quickly and effectively. As well, this app allows students to answer the questions of their peers in a private, centralized location. Piazza is a great tool for students to answer their questions as soon as possible and gives teachers a way of communicating to their students efficiently and more in depth. Personally, I think that this app can be useful for any teacher and would be beneficial to your students and yourself. Once you've signed up, you will start on the course page for the questions and answers, and it will ask you to enroll your students. You can either enter their emails in this box, or you can go to Manage Class and give them a link and an access code. Once you have had all your students join your class page, you can start making changes in the settings of your class as you would see fit. To adjust the settings of your class, you click on the Manage Class tab, which shows all of the settings you can tweak. For example, you can change the course number, the course name, course start date, and the course access code. In these yellow squares to the left, you can see some information on each category. When you are finished, you can hop back into the Q&A tab. Firstly, on the left is where all of the posts will show up and you can filter them by folder. As well, there are filters for the updated ones, the unresolved questions, and the ones you are following. There are 3 different kinds of posts: polls, questions, and notes. In these posts, you can tweak their contents and their settings. If it says private at the side of the post, that means only certain people can see it. You can change that in the settings of the post. To create a post, you click on the New Post button in the top left of the screen. It will open up and give you options for its settings. First, the post type, then who to post to, which folder it will go into, the summary, and then the details. At the end, it will ask if you want to make it an announcement and if you want to make it a notification and send it to emails of your students. Specifically in polls, there are a few more settings you need to tweak. For example, poll choices, poll explanation, poll selection type, the poll close date, and when to show the results to students, and if re-votes are allowed, and the poll's anonymity, and when it's visible to the class. On a post, it shows you how many people have seen it, which folder it is under, the follow-up discussion, what kind of post it is, and the history of the post. As well, you and any other instructor or teacher assistants can modify your posts, and vice versa. When the feed view has changed from compact view to expanded view, everything will be a bit more detailed. For example, the details in the posts will show up beneath their summary, and the day it was posted will show up above the post type icon. Now that you're an expert with Piazza, you should teach your students what it's for and how to use it. On a student's count, this is what it looks like. They can make posts and search through the folders, just like you. They can read posts and leave replies in the follow-up box below the post. Making a post for a student is just like how a teacher would make it, but if you allow them in the settings, they can choose to make their name anonymous. On a student's post, anyone that can see it can modify the text so that there are not any questions of the same kind, but just one that can be shaped into a collaborative final answer. This concludes my tutorial on how to use the application Piazza. If you have any questions or concerns, you can go to their homepage by logging out or clicking on the homepage in the top right corner and go to the bottom of the screen and click Help. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. This video was brought to you by JBJ Studios.